kids are in the kitchen fixing breakfast. They already fried up a pile of bacon. So now they're making some, what is that, cinnamon rolls?
Yeah.
We're going to make them in the air fryer. I told them they weren't heating up my house with the oven.
They just stick together. We can just cut them. That's what.
So all of them won't fit at one time?
It's one more.
We good.
You just got one?
Nah, it's just this. The icing.
You see?
Oh, okay.
Oh, shoot.
Let me see how it looks in there. Okay.
If it gets
They
stuck,
fit in there nicely.
We just gotta cut them because they're
It
gonna
has
grow.
icing in it.
Are you still recording? I got a big
How many minutes you put it on?
Hold up.
What did it say on the pack?
Oh, we ripped it.
See, you threw it away. Okay, I would try 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
No, I'll do it. Okay, I put it on the lowest air fryer setting. I believe it's 360 for 6 minutes.
Yes.
So I'm going to have them check it before then. So that was the shrimp setting. I think that's the lowest setting. I'm not sure. Oh my goodness.
It was enough for you to rip this.
So this is Kalia.
It's Kalia.
It's Kalia. And here's Tequila. We call her Yaya. Do anybody else call you Yaya?
Not no more.
I call her Yaya all the time.
Really, it's the people that irritates me.
Sometimes she's Tequila, sometimes she's Yaya. Depends on my mood.
You will always be Yaya to me.
Really?
And me.
Nobody, none of my family even calls me Yaya.
Sometimes I forget to call her Tequila outside, like at school.
It's really just my friend.
People are like, so who's Yaya? I'm like, so, oh, Tequila.
Does anybody call the baby Lala?
No.
No.
I call her Didi.
They don't
Oh.
even. That doesn't even go with it. I told you.
Laden Didi.
So she doesn't have a nickname?
That's not her. I say Lonnie.
Lonnie.
I call her Didi
It makes the most sense. And I don't like somebody named Didi. I told you.
because they stole her phone at school. That's why.
Oh,
But I call her Didi.
remember
The
that
baby
time?
ain't gonna know who to answer to. They're gonna have her so mixed up and confused.
Hey, yo, Didi, come here.
Yeah, it's not Didi. It's
I
not
call
Didi.
her Didi.
It's not Didi.
That's just my special name for her.
Oh, I will. No, I don't even say that. Yep.
So London is Yaya's baby sister. I was trying to say big sister.
You mean Tequila's little sister?
Okay, her name is Tequila. Okay.
Yee.
Okay.
Oh, you want some?
These kids don't need no coffee.
I'm 40.
I always drink coffee.
You do?
Mm-hmm. And my mama be making me buy her some. That's why I don't tell her I'm going to Dunkin' Donuts. She's like, why you there? Give me some. Because I get my coffee for $1. I'll be going at the right time.
My mom said I can have some as long as she don't have to buy it or make it.
I'm probably going to need another plate.
You got milk? Milk?
I don't buy milk because ain't no babies here.
We're babies.
He might have some cream. Oh, you put milk in the eggs?
Yeah,
Yeah.
make some soft.
Soft and spliffy.
Yeah,
All
you
right.
got some cream right
Don't
here.
have my air fryer basket hitting the floor.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Somebody gonna be in trouble.
Oops. Oh, that's going to be dead ass. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna use some of that for my coffee. But that's cream.
That's dead
cream
ass.
right there. That's green milk.
Okay.
You see how it's melting?
Mm-hmm.
You want to suck the icing, Grandma?
Oh, that looks good.
I ain't supposed to have none of that.
Oh.
You ain't either. With diabetes.
Diabetes.
Sugar.
Want me to leave it out or put it back in the fridge?
Leave it out. He gonna use it.
Okay. Oh, salt and pepper, salt and pepper.
Yeah, come
salt
up
and
that toe up part.
That's dead ass.
Black pepper.
Pepper, salt.
Found it.
Oh my god.
Okay, so let me see how much. Let me see if that's one.
He's
Yeah.
making enough
Yeah, the
for
spray come out right
everybody.
out
You know
the
what?
top
He
there.
good. He don't need to eat all that sugar.
And he's the one that likes icing. A lot.
Who is that?
You.
You're the only heat in here.
Yeah, I know.
Thanks. I'm glad Leah's not making no jokes this morning.
Tequila, shut up.
All right, don't get your shirt all on people's food.
It's okay.
You need some more on that little raggedy one. If any more will squeeze out,
Let's try.
I guess that's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Just whisk up the eggs. She seasoned it with some salt and pepper
Yep, and a little bit of cognac.
and some milk.
I just saw last night.
And they're cleaning up as they go. Hello.
That's just me. We're cooking on the food. Who wants water yet? Just plain.
Who are you talking to?
I'll come back when the food is done. Okay, she's almost through. Put some white American cheese in it.
Debbie used to hate when we put a lot of cheese in it.
He's lactose.
That's why.
Okay. I'm ready to eat.
Me too.
Okay, this is my good breakfast the kids fixed me. Cinnamon rolls, a pile of bacon, and some scrambled eggs with cheese.